Hi, I'm Janea, creator of Drama Notebook, one of the world's largest resources for drama teachers. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a game that is really fun and inventive and creative, and one that you've probably never heard of because I made it up. That's kind of one of the things that we do on Drama Notebook is try to keep drama teachers, especially those who are really seasoned, been on the job a long time, kind of bored with the same old stuff, keep you freshly inspired by introducing ideas and activities that you've never done before, but that are very simple to learn and incorporate into your curriculum. So this game is called Open House, and I may have come up with this idea while house hunting. I actually did. So it's an improvisational game that it teaches students quick thinking, communication, how to adapt and solve problems, a lot of the skills that we learn as actors that have translation into the real world, like most drama activities do. So here's how you play. First, you set it up by asking students something like, have you ever been house hunting? And have you noticed that realtors tend to totally exaggerate the buildings or the houses that they're showing you and kind of play up the tiniest things and make them sound fabulous? Well, we're going to be playing realtors and buyers in this drama game. So one student is the realtor, and they are given in secret, they're given the name of the kind of house, and it can be like a mansion or a cave or a house made of candy, but it's secret. And they're going to be describing, as a usher and the buyers, they're going to be describing the house in tremendous detail, and the buyers are going to kind of have to figure out what kind of house they're in. Meanwhile, your buyer or two buyers are given an obstacle or a quirk, such as they're ghosts who used to live in the house, or they're Prince Charming and Cinderella house shopping for the first time, or they're a couple that has 100 cats looking for the right house for 100 cats. So the students are given about 2 minutes to play, to do the activity, and then it's somebody else's turn. And you can have like a timer. So by the scene wraps up at the end when the bell rings, and then the next round of students gets to go. And then, before the next students get to go, the students in the audience get to guess what kind of dwelling it was and what kind of obstacle or quirk that the buyers had. So at the end, when everybody's had a chance to play, then you can have some discussion questions like, what was the most challenging part of this game? And how does an activity like this help us become better actors? So there's a deeper learning that happens once everyone's had a chance to go. And you can use this as a springboard for creating short scenes or monologues or short plays. So there are a ton of ways that you can extend this. You can also use it as a Friday Fun Day reward activity if the kids really love playing this and can't get enough of it. Or you can use it as a substitute lesson. We have about 100 of these no prep activities that are perfect for substitutes. So you can completely make this game up all on your own. You need to create a list of dwellings and a list of party quirks, or not party quirks, but just regular quirks or obstacles, and then have those on 2 sheets of paper and either whisper them to your students or have them pull them out of a hat. But we also have it completely done for you on Drama Notebook, and it includes a whole sheet of instructions, including exactly what to say to introduce to your students, and then 24 types of dwellings and 24 obstacles for your buyers. So it's all done and ready to go. So I hope that you enjoy this idea, and let me know if you actually use it in your classroom. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and leave a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe. That's totally free. And if you're a drama teacher, I want to let you know, or teaching drama in any capacity, I would like to let you know how grateful I am that you're doing this kind of work in the world. You truly are making the world a better place by offering your heart, your creativity, and your imagination to your students. So thank you.